Hey guys, Zexus here. In today's video, we are going to install Jim-Jobgarage Script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. So this is the script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll provide the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Then open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. That's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in our server now. Let's create the job garage over here in this location. For that, we just need to open our script and go to config.lua. In the config.lua, we can configure our garage and we can create our own customized job garage from here. So for that, we just need to copy this set of code and I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now we just need to set our job, which is police job. For the spawn section, we need to add the code where we want our vehicle to get spawned. For that, I'll be taking a car and I'll be copying the vector 4 from here because I want my car to spawn over here. Now I just need to paste my vector 4 over here and remove the TOR from here, just like this. Now again I have to come over here and I just need to copy a vector 4 from here as well. Now I have to paste it over here, just like this. So this is the spawn code of our vehicle and this is a custom name which we gave to our vehicle. If you want to add more cars, you just need to copy one of the code from here and paste it just like this. So I'll be changing it to T20 and this is neon. And if you want to give a custom name, you just need to copy this name from here and paste it over here and I'll be giving a speed unit. For this, I'll be giving a EV, just like this. From here, you can configure more things related to the vehicle. As you can see over here, these are the trunk items. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And the performance of the vehicle is max. And also you can set the ranks to view the car. So I'll be changing the 4 to 2. And this one to 3. Now we just need to restart our Jim-Jobgarage. As you can see from here, we can spawn our car. We just need to use our target eye and click on job vehicle. After that, you will see a police car over here. You just need to click over here and the car will spawn to the given location. And if you want to return the vehicle, you just need to park the vehicle over here. Then interact to the box with your target eye. Click on job vehicle. Then click on remove vehicle. You can see the braking of the vehicle animation. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.